Thomas Knob Shelter. It's Saturday and we're up on Mount Rogers, and guess what? There's a lot of people out walking the trail today, but here's the site of the shelter. We stayed on the upper deck. Couldn't really tell which way the floor was going half the time in there. It's a nice spot, but they don't want you to have any fires here. And up on top is a really nice view on the way to go get water. I guess a lot of this mountain here is bald. There's a bear box over there. All right, I'm gonna have to go in town for a quick resupply and meet up with my friends later. I only brought with me about 5 days of food, and we're on day 4, and we got about 5 more days to the next resupply joint. So, whew, that's how we're rolling. We're about to cross mile 500.